Here's some voltage dividers trivia. Subscribe. What type of circuit uses resistors to divide voltage? Is it A, transistor amplifier, B, AC power source, C, voltage divider, or D, current splitter? The correct answer is C, voltage divider. Which element is most commonly used in voltage divider circuits? Is it A, diode, B, inductor, C, capacitor, or D, resistor? The correct answer is D, resistor. In a voltage divider, what is the role of R1? Is it A, feedback resistor, B, ground reference, C, load resistor, or D, initial resistor? The correct answer is D, initial resistor. What does R2 represent in a voltage divider? Is it A, load resistor, B, ground reference, C, input capacitor, or D, supply voltage? The correct answer is A, load resistor. What is the relationship between series resistors in a voltage divider? Is it A, inversely proportional, B, constant ratio, C, multiplicative, or D, additive? The correct answer is D, additive. What type of analysis is used to determine voltages in circuits? Is it A, circuit design, B, voltage regulation, C, circuit analysis, or D, electrical engineering? The correct answer is C, circuit analysis. In a voltage divider, what is the effect of decreasing R1? Is it A, higher output voltage, B, decreased gain, C, lower resistance, or D, increased load? The correct answer is A, higher output voltage. What kind of measurement is a voltage divider commonly used for? Is it A, current measurement, B, signal measurement, C, power calculation, or D, frequency analysis? The correct answer is B, signal measurement. In electrical engineering, which law is crucial for voltage dividers? Is it A, Ohm's law, B, Maxwell's equation, C, Faraday's law, or D, Joule's law? The correct answer is A, Ohm's law. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.